In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to remove the new ransomware that is called Tohj, Tohj. By the way, this is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. So this ransomware is able to essentially damage the files. My video is solely for educational purposes. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm telling you about the danger that can be caused by this particular ransomware. So you can see that there are no troubles opening any file types, pictures, music, Microsoft Office files before the ransomware attack. But unfortunately, some computers are not protected against ransomware or malware, and because of that, computers are often vulnerable before ransomware attacks. In the light of this fact, this Tohj ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. So people might suddenly start their computer and notice that something bad has happened with their data, and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware Tohj encrypts files and damages these files considerably. So when you try to open this specific file, you get the message saying that Windows can't open this type of file. Pretty soon you will see the consequences and the results of the ransomware attack. So this is what happens. You try to open the file, and this is the message that you get. Windows can't open this type of file with the Tohj extension. Removing this additionally appended extension does not fix the issue. Unfortunately, the files are still encrypted. The ransomware would tell its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and after you successfully install the program, start the application, and you need to click on Start Scan button in order to initiate the research and investigation of your computer. Most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. While the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attack. But that feature is the part of the premium license only. So now you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner is successfully completed. At the end of the scan, Combo Cleaner will show you the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Please consider upgrading to Premium to remove this ransomware completely. Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware, but it does not recover your data. Keep this in mind.